Gatekeepers. Gatekeepers. What's a gatekeeper? A gatekeeper is the secretary. A gatekeeper is the guard. I'm going to show you how you can go past them so you can talk to the big fish. Hi, this is John Ruman. I work with the real Roger Moore of the Sales Training Academy in Trinidad, helping companies to maximize their sales success. Let's talk about gatekeepers for a few minutes. So a gatekeeper is when you make the phone call, the person that you have to get through to talk to the high-level decision maker. That's the gatekeeper. On physical proximity, there's usually multiple. There may be the security guard. There may be the front desk person, and then you may go upstairs and you talk to another level of gatekeeper. So there's several levels of gatekeeper. The most critical factor when you are dealing with building a relationship with the main person and getting to them is to understand the simple concept. Again, it's all a relationship game. Sales is not some crazy magical thing. It's all relationships. So if you can create quality relationships with people and you can make them genuinely feel important, Mary Kay Ash of the Mary Kay line, she's the famous billionaire. Pink Cadillac is her symbol. She gives everyone once they achieve $1 million in sales. She says everyone should have a sign, and view everyone having a sign on their chest saying, "Make me feel important." So if you can think in your mind, when you meet these people, get to know them. So for example, when you meet, and what's the easiest way to have that happen? Get to know their actual name. They're not a functionary. They're not someone in the way of you getting to meet this person. You care about them. So find out their first name, get to know them, and build a genuine rapport with them. You need to build a connection with them. And you do this by certain things that you genuinely care about, what they are, who they are, what they represent, what makes them tick, happy, etc. And make them feel valued. And they're not just a person who has a job and you're there to get to this person. Get to know them. When you do that, you'll get anywhere. The biggest security guard in the world will be soft, 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 soft if you do that. The best secretary, assistant will totally vouch for you when you have this. And go even to the point that when you do get into the head honcho, the big fish, the person that's going to get this big deal, always make sure to ask, you're going to be there, right? And CC this gatekeeper in all the emails. Get to know them by name, CC them, make them feel that they are genuinely part of the package. And while it may seem like a faux pas, cliche thing to do and kind of strange, you would be surprised how often that person or those persons actually have a major impact on things. I knew a major organization who the founder had retired and was the gatekeeper. And I mean literally the security guard at the gate. He made the final decision on everything. Most assistants / secretaries meet with the bosses and their input really has high value. And if they think, I don't like this person, they will cut you off. So that's important. So this is a simple but short live today about the idea of getting through the gatekeeper and how to do it. Again, make them feel important, be genuine, talk about things that actually let you get to know about who they are and what they want in life. Let me tell you briefly about our upcoming course. We have two coming up. We have on the 15th of July, we have a cold calling class, which is all about talking to that gatekeeper and getting you to know them. And that's on, we build an actual script. We help you use tonality to have it so the language you use is more effective. And that is, again, 15th July, St. Augustine, 2 to 5 p.m., cost of 600 TT. And should you love that course, like most of you already will, and you want to take the full course, we will take 400 of that person's $600 investment towards the full course, which is the full 6-week course, of which the cold calling module is the most popular. That is on the 13th of September, 6 weeks long. It's a Thursday night, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Total investment $3,000. Again, it would be $2,600 if you did the cold calling class before. And one of the calls is this: the entire thing that makes us different than anyone else is we use simulations to teach sales. Very, very, very powerful versus a classroom seminar style. So thank you very much. Any questions you have, please ask me, direct message me, call me, email me. Thank you so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your night. Bye-bye.